First box break in a minute, 2021 certified. I'm gonna try and keep this under like 7 minutes, so get right into it here if I can open the box. This product I've been getting for a while now. It's recently skyrocketed in price, so hopefully we can get some kind of value out of this. You know, obviously the name rookies are the ones that you're looking for, but yeah, I mean the product in general is a pretty good one. Cannot see the RPO. Shuffle them, shuffle them. All right, 4 hits. Let's get right into it. Immediately a hit. Oh, this looks pretty thick, so could be the RPO. Nice looking base, as always. Tannehill. Marshon Lattimore. Is it an auto? No. Ooh. Number /99. Dual patch, Marshon Lattimore. Obviously a beast of this on the Saints. Cornerback. Where's he say? Yeah, he's a cornerback. I think he's one of the top guys in the league, in my opinion. But numbered 77 of 99. Dual patches, cool. All right, and then Diggs, Dark Horse. Stephon Diggs, cool. A.J. Brown and Jalen Hurts. All right. First pack, first hit. Solid start. Is there another hit in here? No, almost the regular auto. Taysom Hill. Ooh, blue. Number 59 of 75, Cornell Powell. Nice. I like the look of these a lot. DK Metcalf, Gold Team. And then Antonio Gibson and Baker Mayfield. All right. Moving along. There's a hit in there, so I'm gonna keep that off. There's 4 per. I mean, it's almost half the box has hits, so I'm being a bit cautious here. Get off. Brandon Ayuk, Michael Dean Perry. This is an autograph. Oh, he's a numbered 6 of 10. Mirror signatures. Michael Dean Perry. I don't think I've ever heard of him. Defensive tackle from the Browns. I mean, it's numbered 6 of 10, so that's pretty cool. I guess it's an old guy, so I mean, I don't think they're just throwing in random, you know, old players here, but who knows? We'll come up after, and there's another hit in there. All right, so these don't have hits. I was out here shuffling packs, trying to spread the love, but Lamar Jackson, Derrick Henry, numbered 56 of 99. Tom Brady, numbered 64 of 199. Gold Team. Pink of sorts, if you will. Gronk and Darren Waller. Oh, good Lord. Let's back in order here. We've wasted time. All right. Cam Akers. Michael Perrine, 154 of 299. Most of these I will probably sell. Tom Brady, Cousins, and Joe Burrow. So if you are interested, let me know. See what we can do. This feels thick. There's another hit in here. I'm gonna leave that. Did I get an extra hit? Who knows? Or am I? Are there like hot boxes in here? I don't know. There's 3 very thick cards. One of them is probably one of those stock cards to fool me. DeAndre Swift, Brendan Cooks, Dalvin Cook, Dark Horse, number 2 of 25. That's pretty cool. Yeah, Dalvin Cook, Dark Horse, numbered 2 of 25. Derek Carr and Devontae Parker. All right. Oh, good Lord. It's a grind making these videos. Yeah, there's stoppers in here. That's what they're doing to me. DJ Moore. Davis Mills. Patch auto. Interesting. This guy torched the Chargers yesterday. Absolute shambles of a team. Freshman fabric, 421 of 499, Davis Mills. Future Hall of Famer. Mac Jones. I've seen these. I don't know what these are, but they seem to be interesting to people. Mac Jones, comic book type thing. It's a good one to get, I guess. Nick Chubb and Matt Ryan. All right, and like I said, these 2 have thick stock cards in there. I don't know what they are, but let's see. Darius Slayton. Yeah, this is a stock thing. Dez Fitzpatrick, number 352 of 399. Justin Jefferson, and Carson Wentz. And this should be the final hit here. Thick. It's thick. Go from the back. Russell Wilson. Calvin Ridley. Cam Akers. This is a Drew Lock. And I thought I saw blue. It was not Trevor Lawrence. James Robinson, numbered 63 of 249 jersey. A little bit of dirt on that. Decent box, I suppose. Marshawn Lattimore, James Robinson, Davis Mills. I don't know where this dude came from, but he looked like a Hall of Famer yesterday. And then, where is it? Michael Dean Perry, Mirror, numbered 6 of 10. Do some info search on that man. And then, I don't know, like I said, I don't know what this card is, but people seem to be into them. 2021 Mac Jones, this card. If you know what it is, let me know, but that's it. Appreciate you tuning in.